New Blended Bunny palette came in, and I got the cool tone one. Got in one of the Danessa Myricks Color Fix, and so that's what we're gonna use as a primer. Taking a concealer brush, some of that Danessa Myricks, and patting it on. Also ordered the brush set from Blend Bunny, starting with the fluffy brush. Grays, taupes, or pinks. It's gotta be pinks today. So we're gonna start with the lightest, right? And we're gonna pick up some and see how that goes. And we're just gonna get, okay, hooded eyes. You can't see my crease too much, like you could if it was like that. So we're just gonna work it kind of into the crease and above the crease where the crease should be. Now you always start with the lightest color and work your way darker. Because now that I have color on here, if I went to a lighter color, it would be all weird. But if I go to a darker color, it just kind of mutes it a little bit. We're gonna go this and just a little darker, okay? And I'm still gonna try that, pushing it in. Okay, rest. You don't wanna lift up. And then I'm just gonna get here. So that's where the crease should be. If I had a crease instead of just the fold. Okay, you can see it's very subtle, but it's blending very well. Now, as I'm doing this, I could just do this, but instead I'm trying to come out a little bit like this. Add a little tail there, and that will help elongate the eyes. And because they're hooded, that gets some of that color and stuff out a little bit further. Next, we're gonna do this darker color and a little bit of the super dark color. And again, we're gonna try to push it in. I don't know if that's gonna do anything or not. I saw a creator do it on TikTok, and I thought it looked interesting because sometimes there is a bunch of fallout, and usually I just tap it off. What if there's a better way? I'm just rolling it in this outer, half? And then I can just sweep, right? And sweeping it, can you see, is getting up in that crease. And because I laid down a nice, you know, my other colors already, it just blends out very nicely. You see how this one has more depth added to it? Because things closer should be brighter, things further should be darker. And then I'm gonna wipe off because I'm still using the same brush, and I'm going to come up here and just blend. You can also, because this is so light, if you come up here with that just underneath your brow, which no, I have not done my brows yet, this will work as a highlight. And you can add some more. No, I did just wipe off my brush, so the bristles are kind of clean. Okay, do you like, do you not like? It's up to you. Do you want to do that or not? And then I could also take some of this light and pop it right here and blend that in to help open up the eye.